In this video, we are going to set up conversion tracking based on button clicks. The first thing you want to do is go to tagmanager.google.com. From here, we're going to go to variables. You are then going to click configure. Scroll down, check off all of the click options, and exit out of that. Go over to tags. Click on New. Click on the pencil icon. Click on Google Analytics. Click on GA4 event. Your measurement ID is the same as your base code ID. Name your event. I am tracking web forms with a button click, so I will be naming my event web forms. My tag, GA4 event web forms. I will then edit the trigger. Click on the plus. Click on the pencil icon. Click on just links. Click on some links. Now, this is where it changes depending on how your button is named. So you can either ask your website provider what your button can be tracked as based on these, or you can try to right-click your button and click inspect and see if any of these show a name for what it is. So I'm going to do click class for myself. I'm going to do equals submit. And for myself, I'm naming this the web form submit button. Click save. Click save. Submit your changes. Make sure you name it what you did. And click publish. This is all set. So once you start getting this button clicked on your website, it will automatically import into GA4 if you have GA4 set up from previous videos.